In today's world, IT managers are faced with an unprecedented amount of raw data that is dense, complex, and for the most part, unstructured. The question is how to successfully store, find, and deliver that data when it's impossible to determine whether the data is active or inactive, or how often it's accessed. So all the data ends up being treated the same, resulting in overworked admins and frustrated users. To meet this mounting storage crisis, admins add network-attached storage. But a scalability issue emerges, referred to as NAS sprawl, where multiple, underutilized NAS components consume more capital, power, cooling, and rack space than the investment is worth. To solve this problem, the admin could scale up their environment by adding another CPU, more memory, and more disk drives, or they could scale out by adding more nodes to a cluster. However, admins are still unable to distinguish between active and inactive data, and the expenditure does nothing to soothe frustrated users. Alacritech is the leading provider of storage network acceleration solutions that dramatically improve the performance of existing infrastructures, resulting in increased application performance and infrastructure stability, and drastically reduced CapEx and OpEx, achieving the lowest cost per ops. Our ANX 1500 NFS Throughput Acceleration Appliance caches active data stemming from client requests, such as frequent access of the same payload data, or NFS metadata. The ANX 1500 intelligently optimizes performance through the use of NFS offload technology. We are the only provider that cost-effectively maintains performance throughput and reduces latency even when enterprises add more data and users. The ANX 1500 has a two-tiered caching system that provides record performance by accelerating read and NFS metadata-intensive ops, greatly reducing the burden on existing NAS devices and enabling better write performance and scalability. With a performance layer based on frequency of use, NFS ops are maximized, resulting in reduced traffic on back-end NAS servers and a dramatic reduction in total IOPS required and storage devices needed. In fact, you can achieve 120,000 ops and comparable NFS performance with only 1/5 of the storage drives and without incurring the expensive IOPS back-end costs normally associated with scaling an existing NAS environment. The end result is an easy-to-deploy, low-cost, accelerated NAS storage model. Users will experience lower latency, admins will enjoy ease of use, and IT managers will benefit from increased performance while saving on operating expenses. Find out how you can save thousands of dollars in capital, power, cooling, and rack space costs.